Arrive in style with this 2003 Acura MDX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Acura navigation system, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brake system, cruise control, intermittent rear window wiper washer, VTM4 4-wheel drive system, auto-dim day-night interior rear-view mirror, and 8-way power heated front bucket seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.